In this presentation, we are going to study how to construct a table of specifications, TOS, or table of specs for short. This table of specs is also known as the test blueprint. Now, to have an idea of what a table of specs is, let us have this comparison. A teacher is to a TOS, while an engineer is to a master plan. What is meant by that? If an engineer wants to build a house or building, that engineer needs a master plan. In the same manner, if a teacher wants to construct test items or test questionnaires for purposes of assessment, that teacher needs a table of specs. So that is how we view a TOS or a table of specs. Now, please take note that in this particular presentation, I am using teacher, engineer, and master plan in its general signification. So when I refer to a teacher, I am referring to any individual involved in the preparation of test questions for assessment purposes. The reason for that is there are some individuals who do prepare test questions, but they are not actually involved in any actual classroom teaching. While an engineer, I am referring to any individual involved in the construction of buildings or houses. So it may be a simple carpenter that is in the business of building houses and other infrastructure projects. In the same vein, a master plan is a building plan or any infrastructure plan prepared to guide the construction process. Now, here is the reality. In practice, some teachers write test questions first before preparing the table of specs. This often results in test items being concentrated in only one or two cognitive levels, usually remembering and understanding. So in the process, those higher cognitive levels, such as applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating, are often neglected. Now, if your target is to make an ideal and effective assessment tool, therefore, your test items must have these 6 cognitive levels under Bloom's taxonomy. Do not just concentrate your test questions or test items on the remembering and understanding cognitive levels. The reason for that is higher cognitive levels foster critical thinking on the part of the students. So if you want to assess the critical thinking of students, you must involve test questions or test items that is supposed to measure this critical thinking ability of the students. And that can only be done if there are some items that pertains to higher cognitive levels. That's the rule there. So in a capsule, the role of a TOS is to ensure that the test items are properly distributed based on learning outcomes in the time spent for each particular topic. That is the role of TOS. In this presentation, I am going to use a theoretical table of specs. Now you might ask, what particular form of a table of specs that you must have? The straight answer is none. Stated in another way, you can use any format of a table of specs, provided that the basic parts of a table of specs must be there. Because there are really some parts of a table of specs that are indispensable. So what are the basic parts of a table of specs? Of course, number one is the course outcome. Number two, the learning outcome. Number three is the number of hours spent for the discussion of each learning outcome. Then the 6 cognitive levels under the Bloom's taxonomy, namely remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Then the total of number of items that must be allocated for each learning outcome. Those are the basic parts. They are not they are parts that cannot be dispensed with in any form of table of specifications. That's it.